Hello and welcome back from Christmas break. I hope that you guys all had a good break. It's very important that we take a look at some of the things that we're going to do. First of all, make sure that you take your attendance each and every day. Today we're going to look at the first day of the week. We're going to look at the first lessons, which students will solve one-step equations using the inverse operations. This video will be posted right here, and here is the assignment. So we're going to take a look at this. You'll have it'll say start quiz or start assignment. Notice how there's a Desmos scientific calculator right here available for you. And so one of the things I want you to notice is that we're going to use inverse operations. So where it says x plus 2 equals 8, to solve that, you're going to do the inverse, which is to subtract 2 on both sides of the equal sign. So what ultimately happens is the x will drop down. These will cancel each other out. 8 minus 2 is 6. And so the answer that you would type in is just, you would simply type in 6 right there. And then if we continue looking, this one says x plus negative 2. Now this is kind of a trick question in the sense of x plus negative 2 is really the same thing as saying a plus sign and a negative sign is going to cancel each other out, and it's going to become x minus 2. And so to get rid of a minus 2, we're going to add 2 to both sides. And this time, those 2's will cancel out. The x drops down, equal sign drops down, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So you'll put the number 10 here. And if you think about question 2 and question 3, you should really notice something pretty quickly right off the bat. Now, x minus negative 2 is also a trick question. One thing you need to remember is whenever you have a minus negative, they come together and they turn into a plus positive. So this really is going to turn into x plus 2 equals 8. Now notice how I've used the same numbers. What you should notice is that this question now is the same as number 1. This means they'll multiply, so to undo that, you're going to divide. And the same thing here. So negative 2x equals 8. To undo multiplication, you're going to divide by negative 2. On both sides of the equal sign, the negative 2's will cancel. X drops down, the equal sign drops down. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. Keep in mind, if you're not real good with negatives, I left the link to Desmos right there.